Hi everyone, it's Annette from BizIQ. As a small business owner, you've probably read a lot of articles written by marketing experts telling you that you have to create something called 10x content to promote your local business online. But what do they mean? Sometimes it can seem like everyone else has the secret formula. In reality, it's not rocket science. Here's how it works. Number 1, is your blog about what your customers are really interested in? You don't have to invest in expensive market research data to make sure that your website and your blog content are about what your customers really want to know. To create relevant content, instead of writing about how you have the best products or the best place to go for X, Y, and Z, do your research. Ask your existing customers and use Google search to find out what they're looking for when they're searching for the kinds of products and services that your small business provides. Simply type in common problems and questions that your customers come to you with into Google search and bingo, you'll have an entire list of ideas. And be sure to pay attention to the suggested searches that Google displays as you type. You'll probably get some additional ideas that you hadn't already thought of. Avoid sales talk unless it's a blog post to announce a special promotion or new products and services. Number 2, is your blog easy to read? Most people quickly scan website and blog content, and they'll ignore yours if it's just a big block of text or too cluttered. To make yours easy to scan, use short sentences and short paragraphs. Employ things like numbered lists and bullet points to break up content. Also add high-quality images and graphics that illustrate your content's message. Research shows that 80% of people recall images, but only 20% recall text. Plus, posts with images get 94% more views. 60% of potential customers will contact a business if that image shows up in local search results. And when it comes to video, studies show that using it in your content results in a whopping 157% increase in organic traffic from search results. And using video increases revenue almost 50% faster. Consider adding an explainer video to important blog posts, but remember to keep it short and relevant to the topic. Number 3, is your content better than your competitors? Pay attention to the kind of content your competitors are publishing online. Research which competitors rank at the top of Google local search for your topic and your main keywords. How does it look? What kind of images, if any, do they use? Is it easy to read? Make your content 10 times better than theirs is. Depending on your industry and the size of the area that you serve, this isn't as difficult as it might sound, especially if the content your competitors publish is honestly negative 10x. Remember, you're only trying to compete with other local businesses in your industry, and your content needs to reflect your customers' wants, needs, and interests. Therefore, while it's true that content marketing has become intensely competitive for large companies, and it's getting tougher and tougher for the big brands to rank in Google search, that doesn't mean that your local business should give up on blogging. By making your content marketing relevant to your customers, making it scannable and easy to read, and by making it significantly better than anything your competitors publish, you too can create 10x content that ranks on Google and drives more local customers to your business. If you need help, give us a call. Thanks for watching. My name is Annette, signing off for BizIQ. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips on smart local online marketing.